Hello my friend, and in this video I want to show you how to remove the stainless steel clamp from high pressure pipe. So I did it on Xsmall, Saeco Xsmall, maybe you know this coffee machine. So let's start and go to my workshop. So before we start, we need to remove the pump from the case of coffee machine. And as you can see, the stainless steel clamp is located on the high pressure pipe connected to the pump. So, and we need to remove this rubber. And for this, as you can see, we need to remove two screws. I will use Torx screwdriver. It's T9 screwdriver. And then I take top half of this coffee machine up, and I get access to my pump. For this I need to remove these two screws, and now I can put away the plastic top of coffee machine and easy release the pump. For easy removing the clamp, I need to unscrew the high pressure valve on the top of the pump and also remove the rubber, and in this case we'll get the access to the clamp. For unscrewing the high pressure valve, I rotate it counterclockwise. For clamp removing, I'm using the pliers. This is small pliers, and when you removing the clamp, be careful because you can damage the high pressure pipe or other plastic part of your coffee machine. So guys, thank you for watching this video. I hope it was useful for you and it helps you to repair your coffee machine. Thank you guys, see you next time and have a good luck. Bye.